Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss the difference between head cleaning and head flushing and how to properly use these maintenance tools. Head cleanings are the first and more common maintenance step that you will take. A head cleaning will push ink through the lines of the printer to remove any blockages that may have formed in the print head. The best way to determine if you need to run a head cleaning is to print a nozzle check. Nozzle checks will print a chart that shows if there are any clogs in the print heads. You can run 2 or 3 head cleanings in a row to clear any blocked nozzles. We recommend that you print a nozzle check after each head cleaning to see if the issue has resolved itself. If the nozzle check continues to show clogged nozzles, your next step will be to perform a head flush. As with head cleanings, we recommend printing a nozzle check after each head flush. Please do not turn off the printer during either of these processes. If you continue to experience any issues, the next step will be to contact Sawgrass support for further assistance. That is all for today. See you next time.